Welcome to our web development page, getting trading signals based on Twitter sentiment and trend analysis.
Hello, everyone. Our trading bot combines analyzing Twitter sentiments, and then based on those results, they determine, they look at the stock analysis moving average to determine whether the stock is worth buying or not.
So let us first meet the profiters.
Hey, I'm Profiter Fahim, and I worked on the back end.
Hey, I'm Profiter Kitty, and I worked on the front end.
Hi, I'm Profiter Hugh, and I worked on the back end.
Hey, I'm Profiter Richard, and I worked on both the back end and the front end.
And now let me begin by showing you our sign in and sign up pages. So you can sign in using any email of your choice, like admin@gmail.com with the password. And you can even click the remember me and log in, and it shows that you have been logged in. And there's also sign up option where if you put in something wrong, it even tells you that the field's incorrect, there's an invalid email, and the field must be equal to the password.
All right, so next we'll talk about our functionalities. So if you click the green button there that says click here for stock info, or if you click the button on the top that says live signals, it'll lead you to the exact same place in which the user can input a stock to receive financial advice from our program. So for example, if you input Google, which is GOOG, based on its stock market characters,
it'll take up to 30 seconds.
But it'll load.
If you enter something invalid, it will not load.
It will determine, as indicated below, the program's recommendation for whether or not you should buy the stock. And as indicated here for Google, it says analysis is inconclusive.
Yeah, and the way this analysis works is through a combination of trend analysis using moving averages and also the Twitter sentiment based on recent tweets that mention Google or the stock ticker symbol.
So I'll go a bit more into the Twitter sentiment polarity. And specifically, this uses a text blob method, which uses natural language processing in order to analyze each of the tweets and sort of determine, like, are they positive or are they negative? And it creates that sentiment from those tweets. Now, he will talk about the trend analysis.
Yeah, so for the trend analysis, we take the 9-hour moving average and the 21-hour moving average to determine whether the stock is moving up or down based on moving average crossovers. And then in order to get the overall recommendation as to whether to buy or sell, we combine the analysis from the sentiment, from tweets, and also the moving average analysis. So if the moving average and trends show that there's a downtrend, but for example, the Twitter sentiment here for Amazon shows that the sentiment is positive, then there's an inconclusive analysis because these two different indicators are showing different potential directions for a stock. But if you enter a stock like, for example, Tesla, which has a ticker symbol of TSLA, after it loads, you'll see that both the trend analysis and the Twitter sentiment show that the stock is likely going to move up. So we put a buy recommendation.
Please note that this is not financial advice. Thanks.
Heavy disclaimer on that.